What's up, guys? I know this is a point of view video, but I just wanted to demonstrate what this switch or plug can do. Alexa, turn on the ring light.
Okay.
And there you go. I love this thing. So I'm about to unbox this Teckin smart plug, and there's two of them. And I would definitely rate it a 5-star. It has its own app, but it's compatible with Alexa and likely Google, but right now I don't know off the top of my head. Ask in the comments if you want to know its compatibility, but definitely in Alexa. Now, without further ado, let's get unboxing.
I don't know that one.
Welcome back to the channel to another point of view unboxing. Today, we're going to unbox the Teckin smart plugs. I bought two of these about a year ago, and I'm really happy with them. They're compatible with Alexa, and so that's why I have the Alexa box here. I'm going to unbox these four plugs, and they are a great deal in my opinion. They're $38 Canadian, and you get two of them. I'll grab my handy pocket knife and go ahead and start unboxing this thing. And I also have my Alexa app ready to go for setup. I do enjoy their native app, which is Smart Life, and our church actually uses the same setup. So when I'm in the app, I can switch between home and church because I do help with youth group, so I do need to be able to access the stage lighting and plugs and all that stuff. So I'm struggling here, not sure why, but I don't like that. I don't like ripping boxes open, to be honest. Actually, I don't need a knife because there's a nice handy tab right here that you could pull up on. And yeah, see, I don't want to rip it, so I will use my knife to move that tab out of the way slightly, and then it won't rip. There we go, that's way more satisfying. I did not rip this package this time. So it is really neatly packaged. It's got the paperwork, a nice little Christmas card, and then you've got the two outlets or plugs or switches, not sure what you want to call them. And they are in there pretty tight, so it's a nice compact box, but that's all that's in there besides the paperwork. So there's nothing under this little section here. In fact, I think it's glued down, so you can't even remove it. And you've got a nice little jewelry box if you want. You could do some arts and crafts. There you go. I'm not gonna share a link, but they're easy. They are really easy to look up, so go ahead and buy it. I don't have enough subscribers to justify selling stuff on Amazon, so this is purely my heartfelt opinion about these. I've read reviews that some of these quit after a while, but mine lasted the year and we use them every single day. This is how we turn on our lights, turn them off. We plug our lights into these, and I have a light to the left of my desk that I want to use for this because the switch on the light, believe it or not, actually broke. So that's why I want to plug it in, and I did pay $100 for the light. So a $20 switch to fix it and not have to unplug it and plug it in every time is really good in my opinion. So let's set this thing up. So that's how you first set them up. You plug them in, and then you can open the Alexa app. Why not? Since most of you will have an Echo devices, and on here, there's a plus sign up top. Tap on it, add device. So I'll tap that. And what brand is it? It's Teckin or Smart Home. So I'll look for Teckin. Oh, it's right there. Look at that. I'll tap that. Oh, it's got instructions on the Alexa app. Download the Teckin app, set up your Teckin plug. Following the Teckin app instructions, return to the Alexa app, press discover devices. All right, so I'm gonna go to my Teckin app, which is the smart home. There's another plus on the top there to add a device, so I'll tap that. I keep wanting to say click, but it's not a click. It's an SP20. Let's see how easy this is. I'll just tap the first one. Next. All right, power on the device. Next. Press and hold the reset button until the indicator blinks. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000. There we go. All right, so you have to actually hold it down until it blinks rapidly, then confirm that it's blinking rapidly, and now we're adding the device. So let's see how long this takes. And it stopped blinking rapidly, so I'm guessing that's a good sign. There we go. So we found it. And I'm going to say this one's going into the office or the study room. And I'm guessing I can name it whatever I want in the Alexa app. I'll click done. And there we go. So now let's test it. Oh, look at that. Beauty. All right, so now I can go to the Alexa app and click on Discover Devices. 2 devices found and connected. Okay, click Next. Go with the smart socket, set up device, and I will choose a group for sure. This one will have to be Office right there. Add to group. Nice. So now it'll work with Alexa. All right. So I will rename this just to show you how that's done, because I actually want it to recognize when I say turn on the ring light. When you're here, you have to click on that there and then the little cog at the top, and then I can edit the name to ring light. Ring light. And also, so this is where you don't click save, you just click back and the name actually saves. But I also want to change the type of thing it is. I have to go back to ring light, edit here, and here where it says type, I'm actually going to change that to light and click done. And now it's light. That's how you change it. And check out my other video in the link at the end of this one in a few seconds if you want to know how to change rooms. Until the next time, Happy New Year. Peace.